Hi, I'm Gary Salmons from Centric in Solihull, and no doubt you've seen in the news recently the hot topic of utility bills and certainly increased prices to do with gas. The government announced yesterday that they're actually going to be offering grants out to households in England and Wales of £5,000. This is going to look to assist homeowners with changing their existing gas boilers to low carbon heat pumps. They've got a budget of around £450 million, which means this will be offered out to 90,000 households, starting from April 2022, and the scheme will run for 3 years. Looking at the information in more detail, however, the Office of National Statistics are saying that there's 27.8 million homes in the UK that are currently powered by gas, so obviously there's a massive disparity there in terms of who will be able to get the loan and actually the scale of work that needs to be done. Considering the government are planning on everybody trying to change, or any new installations won't be gas boilers in the next 14 years. So there's a big gulf. The big question, I suppose, is who's eligible for it. And looking into the information that was released yesterday, ultimately it's everybody. Typically it's going to be any UK or England and Wales household owners, also small private landlords, but not available to the new build sector. In terms of how you go about it, you would engage a company that would ultimately install the device for you and take out the old gas boiler. They would apply for the grant on the homeowner's behalf, and then it would come off the final bill. But as I said, with the massive difference of numbers, it'll be quite interesting to see how this goes. And speaking to some contractors, they're saying that the bill for such work can be anything from £6,000 all the way up to £18,000. So whilst £5,000 is certainly welcome, it's not going to cover all of the costs. But it's a step in the right direction, which is the main thing, and we'll certainly keep an eye on how it goes, trying to make the country greener and ultimately households similar to the one I'm standing in a lot more greener moving forward.